Hi, my name is Zishan Mirza, and welcome to my research proposal presentation for class CSC 807. The topic that I have selected for this is Trends in SQL Injection Detection Using AI. SQL injection attack, which are also known as SQLI. According to NIST Threat Landscape Report for 2018, for top 15 cyber threat trends, for web application attack category, they were top 51%. It is basically an injection attack which allows attacker to execute malicious SQL on backend database, allowing them to view, edit, or delete possible sensitive data. They can also bypass authentication authorization using these techniques. This can have far-reaching impact on a business, causing loss of customer trust and monetary value. There are basically three types of SQL injection attacks. First, being more common, is known as in-band SQL injection attack. It's an easy to exploit injection attack. Usually happens when user is able to utilize same communication channels for both launching and getting the results back. A type of in-band SQL injection attack is known as error-based SQL injection attack. Here, basically an attacker relies on error response back from the database to collect info about its structure. Another type is called union-based SQL injection. In this attack, union SQL operator is used to combine multiple results which are returned in a response. The second type of SQL injection attacks are known as inferential SQL injection attack, which are also called blind SQL injection attacks. Here, an attacker does not see the result of the attack in the response to a relevant SQL query or any details of database error. A type of inferential SQL injection attack is Boolean-based blind SQL injection attack. Here, an attacker might send a query to do database, which makes the application return different result. Depending on if query returned true or false, the attacker observes this change and infers the return if it was true or false. Another type of inferential SQL injection attack is called time-based blind SQL injection attack. Here, attacker sends a query which makes database wait for a period of time before responding, allowing attacker to infer if response was true or false based on response time. The third kind is called out-of-band SQL injection attack. This is when an attacker is unable to use the same channel for attack and information gathering. For my research, I would like to perform literature review on current trends in AI techniques for detecting SQLI attacks. When I say AI, I'm talking about machine learning and deep learning. Initially, I would like to keep the scope of things pretty small, maybe literature work that I find or research that I find from 2017 to current, and maybe I might need to expand a little depending on what type of papers I'm finding, or even contract further if a lot of research is out there. The second thing that I would like to do is actually compare and contrast different AI detection technique used for each type of SQL injection, meaning if I find paper that uses a particular machine learning algorithm for in-band type of SQL injection attack, and another paper that uses a different machine learning technique for in-band type of SQL injection. I would like to see, compare, contrast their techniques and sort of see why they used the algorithm, what type of results they got. So I would actually try to do that for all three types of them: in-band, inferential, and out-of-band. The third thing I would like to do is actually show gaps if I can't find a lot of information about a particular type. Maybe for out-of-band, there's not a lot of literature out there which uses machine learning or deep learning techniques. So I would like to point that out on my research paper. So that's pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you.